I think one of the most myths that I've heard, especially in Vastu, is regarding which is the best room or zone that is suitable for a girl who is in marriageable age to find her prospective husband or spouse. Firstly, what I would like to add here is that there is nothing in our control that we can do in order to speed up any process, because I feel at the end of the day, it is the universe and universe alone that guides us to what we're truly destined to. But to break this Vastu myth, firstly, let me tell you what is revolving around this. Many times I've heard people say that since Northwest is related to banking and support, or if you're looking to have anything sold instantly, you can keep those items in the Northwest zones to reap the benefits. But it's not true for women as well, because people say that sleeping in the Northwest zone can actually also help women find prospective people, prospective spouses or fiancés of theirs. But let me break it down to you. When you understand this in a little bit of astrological perspective, the Northwest zone deals with your femininity, your hormones, your reproductive systems, and all of that. And if and when the Northwest zone is not balanced out properly, and there is a woman or a girl sleeping in this particular room, more than finding a prospective spouse, they might be subjected to having multiple issues based on these attributes associated to astrological zonal relations. So, what I would suggest is, if you are looking for a potential client, especially the girls or all the women who are in the marriageable age, try to sleep either in the southwest zone, the southeast zone, the southwest zone, or the northwest zone. The reason why I say this is these zones are more linked to support you in finding that, or at least help you reap it by either manifestations or based on the attributes associated to each of these zones. Make sure you use this to reap the benefits, and most importantly, don't fall for scams that are there around Vastu. Even on a general note, if you actually take into consideration, a northwest room is fine, irrespective of who stays in that room. But preferably, since we're talking about marriageable girls, make sure even if there is somebody sleeping in this space, this like the entire zone is balanced out without any negative defects, so that at least the girl or anybody resigning it do not go about facing any negative repercussions rather than when finding for a possible spouse. So make sure this is taken into proper consideration.